Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I am super excited. Halloween is over, so I figured I can officially post my very first Christmas DIY. I've been seeing such cute stuff all over YouTube and I'm like, oh, I gotta get on it, but I wanted to wait until Halloween was over. Well, today's actually Halloween. I have my Halloween leggings on again, so it still feels weird doing this stuff before Halloween is really over, but I'm gonna be posting it tomorrow, which will be today, which is November 1st. I don't want to forget about Thanksgiving because that is a very important holiday as well, but Christmas is my favorite. So I am so excited to get into these Christmas DIYs. We're gonna start off a little easy with this wreath. It is very similar to the Halloween one I made. My mom loved her Halloween one so much that she wanted a Christmas one. So her and I went ahead and made it yesterday. Super quick and easy. Does go a lot quicker if you have a friend helping you roll. So yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss my upcoming Christmas DIYs. I have a bunch of ideas in my head and I'm just hoping they all come out how I'm imagining them. And also, last year when I made all of my Christmas DIYs, my channel was very, very small and I want to say I had like 4 or 5 Christmas videos and I feel like not a whole lot of people saw them because my channel was so small. So I am going to post those up above and in the description box if you guys want to go back and check those out because I did make a lot of really cute stuff and I don't think any of you guys really got to see it. So you guys should totally go check those out. Leave me a comment and tell me which little DIY was your favorite. I know which one was my favorite, so maybe you guys could guess. You guys, let's get into this. So I will say all of the products that we used for the wreath were bought at Dollar Tree, except for the little lights. Dollar Tree did have little lights, but we didn't want, so my mom wanted snowflakes, and the snowflakes at Dollar Tree were blue. So we ended up finding these snowflakes at Walmart, and they're really, really cute. Also, Walmart has little red truck and camper lights. I should have gotten the camper ones. I was trying to think of something to do with those, but I haven't figured that out yet, so I might end up going back to get those. But all right, let's get into it. All right, so I first cut a little piece of cardboard to use as a template for cutting out the deco mesh because it just goes a lot quicker. You are going to need about 5 to 6 of these little packets. We decided to go with just one of the red ones because the red truck is going to be on the wreath, and I figured it might be a little too much red if we got 2 of those. And then you're going to go ahead and need something decorative. We liked these little decorative bows and we're going to glue those on the wreath. And then you're going to need a little sign to go in the center, and we just loved this little red truck. You're also going to need some pipe cleaners, and we went with the silver just because I thought it would go really well with the colors. You're going to need the wire wreath and then some lights. So the first thing we did was just took our little cardboard template and we went and cut all of the mesh up at once. So I would say this is about 6 inches long. It seems to be a really good size, and you just kind of put it on top of the ribbon and lay it flat and then cut it. So it works easiest if you go ahead and do them all at once, and so that way you can just start rolling as soon as you're finished with that. So we kind of had a little system. My mom would cut and then I would roll. And now that we have everything cut up, well, my mom's still cutting, but I'm going to start going ahead and rolling. And we're just taking the little pipe cleaners and cutting them in half. And so I'm just going to take the little deco mesh in bunches of 5s. So you're just going to kind of lay it down on the table and just roll it up. It doesn't have to be neat or anything because once you get it all bundled together, it's going to look perfect. So it doesn't matter if it's kind of uneven because this stuff is kind of hard to work with because it just kind of rolls. And also, if you have a kitten, don't do this project around them. Tater Tot was up in our business the whole entire time. He was having so much fun with the little pipe cleaners. So yeah, he was helping throughout this entire project. And then once you get your little bundle of 5, you're going to take that pipe cleaner and just wrap it around and just kind of twist it so that it'll stay in place. And you can use that pipe cleaner to attach it to the wire wreath. The way I put it in, you really don't need to do that, but you absolutely could. All right, then once you have all your little bundles, you're just going to go ahead and start putting them in the wreath. My plan was to do 5 in each little section, but we kind of ran out. So if you do 4 in each one, it'll be totally fine. it'll be spaced enough where you can't like see in between it, but it'll look good. I was taking 2 of the white, 1 of the red in the center, and then 2 of the green. So if you just want to follow that pattern all the way around and just keeping 4 in each little section, that should be plenty to go around the entire wreath. So if you can see how I'm sticking it through on like the middle, see how there's like 3 little sections of the wreath? Stick it through in the middle and then bring it back through the bottom one, and it just fits in there perfectly, and it's tight enough, it's not going to go anywhere, but if you want to reinforce it with the pipe cleaner, you totally can do that too. And you're just going to go ahead and follow this little system until the entire wreath is filled in. All right, now that we have that finished, if you guys don't like the amount of red, you can absolutely get another one of the red and do 2 like the other colors. I just thought that it was going to be a lot of red with the red truck, so I like how this turned out. So now what we're going to do is just take the little red truck and hot glue this onto the wreath. So you want to just try to find some spots on there that are going to stick to the wreath. We probably will go back in with pipe cleaners and somehow reinforce it to the wreath. So far it's been sticking fine, but I'm afraid it might fall off at some point. All right, next we are taking the little lights and we're just going to kind of string them through. There's Tater Tot. And just kind of string them throughout the wreath. I'm just kind of tucking them in there and just making sure they don't go anywhere. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the little battery pack and tuck it around the back and put it like kind of just behind the truck. I was going to glue it onto the truck, but you need both sides of the pack, like if you want to change the batteries, and then the on-off switches on the other side. So I'm thinking once it's hanging up, we could just kind of set it on top and it shouldn't go anywhere. And next we're going to take the little decorative bows and just start gluing them on. We didn't use all of them. I think we used about 6 of them. And you're just going to kind of space them out and just put them wherever you want them. And that is it, you guys. I think this turned out so cute, and these are super easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed our very first Christmas DIY of the season, and I hope you are ready for some more. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.